I am from the best place on earth, the candy factory. I am from lollipops and bubblegum, from candy bars and gummy worms, from Laffy Taffy and Jawbreakers to Red Vine Ropes and Sugar Daddies. I am from going to the dentist with 10 cavities and having to set up 4-hour appointments. I am from Starburst to Jelly Beans, from cotton candy to pixie sticks, and from Whoppers to Ring Pops. I am from candy. I am from knowing every worker at the store and every flavor behind the counter. I am from sweet, and I am from sour. I am from chewy, and I am from salty. I am from Mom and Dad telling me to take a week off of candy. I am from Tootsie Rolls and the Fun Dips to Pop Rocks and Airheads. From Dum Dums to Lemon Heads to Pez to Butterfingers. I am from sneaking my own 5 pounds of candy into the movie theater, and I am from eating every single piece. I am from having my heart set on working at the one and only place, the candy factory.